We're so excited to have you here, and we hope that you have a fantastic and very productive week.
So important that you realise you are the leaders of tomorrow.
Watamuli, everyone!
I think the Winter School is a wonderful program in that it really exposes young Indigenous students to the university life, to what it's like to interact with a lecturer, the disciplines, the campus itself. The prospect of uni can be much more daunting and scary when you don't know anything about it. And that's why I think the value of the Winter School lies in the fact that it really opens your mind up to what tertiary education could look like and hopefully make it a tangible future for yourself.
Yeah, being at this camp, it kind of like changed my point of view of being in university and that.
It's been an eye-opener. I want to do uni next year.
I think it's a very fun experience for you to like interact and like learn more about uni life.
It's about information sharing, building that capacity for our students and making them be able to have informed judgment of the career or the courses that they'd like to complete when they complete school.
I'm studying nursing and midwifery.
I've been studying allied health.
I'm doing marine science biology.
I've been studying law while I'm here. Classes are really interesting and it's nice to see what it would be like, especially since last year when I did education, so it was nice to get a different feel for another discipline.
We've found that the earlier that our students recognise where they feel they want to lead to in their future, the earlier on that they get that information, it just makes it a lot more successful when they are studying at university.
A lot of our ambassadors tell us how to change after high school to university style, and that's definitely helped a lot of us.
As a JCU Indigenous ambassador, I'm here to supervise the kids, but also to be a role model to them, answer any questions they have. I'm absolutely passionate about getting young Indigenous students to university, so I'm really happy in my role.
If you want an insight, this is the place to go, especially with being surrounded by all your mob.
I would recommend this to anyone. It's an amazing experience and a great opportunity.
I made a lot of new friends. I got to know a lot of great people, got to learn about other people's cultures. I feel more culturally connected after this experience.
Definitely do Winter School. It's been such an amazing experience. I didn't expect this much fun to come with it, and I set foot in the university. I just had a blast. It's so much fun.